Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
All right, guys, we're gonna count down from 10. Is everybody ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
so much. Have fun. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for DJ DT. Welcome to Aaron Benson Park for the New Year's Eve beach ball drop. Everybody doing all right tonight? Let's welcome to the stage someone that really doesn't need an introduction. Been around us our whole life, but we're gonna give him one anyway. Coca-Cola and the legend sponsor tonight. And we love these guys. They always take care of us. Oh man, we've still got so much coming up tonight, guys. Get ready. We still got our fireworks coming up. We got our 8 o'clock beach ball drop right here and at Pier Park. Then we got our fireworks, and we've got some more live music playing. And ladies and gentlemen, make your way to the stage right now because this is an act that's hard to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Life Atlantic. shirt.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Got my cocoa over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Life Atlantic. All right. Now, in just a second, we're about to drop these beach balls. After that, we're going to have a live DJ playing. And then the Will Thompson Band's going to be over here at 10 o'clock. And also another band and another round of fireworks. But first, You want to drop these beach balls? That sounds like they're ready. All right, guys, we're going to count down from 10. Is everybody ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, Panama City, let's keep this party going. It's the new year, and we're going to get it started off right. Let's go.
The guy next to me is like, got 7 videos already. I know, yeah.
Oh, we got an escape route?
crying behind us.
That wasn't right.